The help of Venn diagram. A complement equal to U minus A. So we can say this is suppose U and we have its subset A. So now complement will be all portion of U which are not included in A. So this is the complement. All portion of U which are not included. Clear? So this shaded portion represent a complement. This is a Venn diagram or diagrammatically representation of complement. Next we see some properties of complement set. Some properties of complement of a set. Like in the case of a union and intersection, here also we have some properties. First, a complement law. So that is a. One more thing we have to here say that is not given. Complement of a complement. This is also the double complement. So first is if you take A union A complement. A union A complement that is equal to U. Why? Like suppose you are given U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A equal to 2 and 3. Then its complement will be 1, 4, 5. Right? If you are taking U as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A as 2, 3 and A complement will be A complement will be 1, 4, 5. Now if you find the union of A union A complement, means you take element of A and A complement. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is again U. That's why we write A union A complement equal to U. Similarly, second rule says their intersection is 5. A intersection is complement equal to 5. Why? In this example, you can find the intersection means common to A and A complement. There is nothing. Here in A and A complement, no common element. That's why 5. So this is the complement law. Then third say that we have already discussed De Morgan's law. Two rule. ये हमने अभी एग्जाम्पल में प्रूव किए थे. A union B whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement and A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. This is the De Morgan's law we have already discussed. With the help of example, and we proved these two. And in exam may be asked by taking suitable example, you can prove this. Next is fourth law of double complement. Law double this complement of a complement is again that set A complement. Like you can see in this example, U equal to these elements, A equal to this and A complement this. Now if you find again complement of this A complement, so we can write A complement, its complement equal to U minus A complement. All element of U which are not in A complement. So from U we have to delete the element of the A complement. That is 1, 4, 5. If you delete, then remaining are 2, 3, which is again A. 2, 3, that will again. That's why we can say double complement. Means complement of a complement set is again that set. Right? So you have to write this. Then empty set and universal set. Empty set and universal set. So complement of the empty set, that is 5 complement equal to U. 5 complement means U minus 5 means nothing, 5 is empty. So nothing deleting from U. Then you get again U. U minus no element is deleting. So again U. So 5 complement is U. And U complement universal, then U minus U, that is empty. So write down these rules. बेटा ये लिख लीजिए सब. With the help of an example, you can write all these things, correct? Now we see word problem based on this formula. This is very important formula we have to use. And this is also for 3 set. If we are having 3 set, then we can use this formula. And if we are having 2, then we can use this. This is clear? बेटा लिख लिया ये? Twenty-third example say if X and Y are 2 sets such that X union Y has 50 elements. So we can write number of elements in X union Y equal to 50. X has 28 elements. X has 28 elements. That is number of elements in X equal to 20. And Y has 32. Y has 32 elements. So we may write number of elements in Y equal to 32. How many elements are does X intersection Y है?
सर थोड़ा वो कैमरा
How many elements of this? That is, you have to find the number of elements in X intersection Y. So using formula, दो दे रखे प्रॉब्लम और सेट X Y simplify. So number of element in X union Y equal to number of element in X plus number of element in Y minus X intersection Y. Now put the given value and simplify. X union Y is given as 50. Number of element in X 28. Number of element in Y 32. And this you want to find. Now simplify this equation. Type on right hand side, left side. X intersection Y equal to now 28 and 32 60. Now 50 transfer to this. So what is the answer?
10.
So you can say X intersection Y has 10 elements, means common to both. So write down this example. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? So you can consider here let M denote the set of teachers, who teach mathematics. Similarly, you write P denotes the set of teachers who take physics. Right? Now, by the given condition or problem, or by the question you may write, we are given that 12 teachers teach mathematics. So number of teachers for mathematics is 12. Number of physics teachers 4. Sorry, 4 both. Now both means their intersection. Here both means number of teachers who teach both mathematics as well as physics. That is 4 given. And 20 teachers who teach mathematics or, so or means union. So wording is very important. Or means union. So number of teachers who teach mathematics or physics 20. Only mathematics 12 and both mathematics and physics. That is 4. And says how many teach physics. So you have to find number of teachers who can take physics. Clear? So again use this formula. You take number of element in P union M equal to number of element in P, number of element in M minus number of element in P intersection M. So here we are given P union M is 20. Number of element in P we have to find, and M is 12 and this is 2. So we get 20 NP. So number of physics teacher equal to 20 minus 8. Right? So how many teachers are there for physics? 12. As 12 teachers teach physics. 16 like to play football. So So number of element in Y set is 16. Also say each students like to play at least one of the two games. Means total number of students play either cricket or football. That is union, which is equal to number of staff of the class. Clear? So this information is given and says you have to find how many students like to play both cricket and football. How many students like to play both cricket and, so we have to find both means intersection. So using formula, number of element in X union Y is equal to number of element in X plus number of element Y minus X intersection Y. We have already seen this formula yesterday. Now put the value. This is 35, 24 plus 16 minus this you have to find X intersection Y. 35, this is 50 minus L X intersection Y. So transfer the side 50 minus 35, that is 15. Right? This is 40. 40 होगा बेटा. So only 5 students. So you can write here 5 students like to play both games. In a survey of 400 students, so your number of students in universal. Why? Because we are taking a survey. In a survey of 400 students in a school. So their total number of students in the school is 400. So survey is made between these. 100 were listed as taking apple juice. So there are two type of choices given, taking apple juice and orange juice. That is 150, and 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. So say how many students were taking neither apple juice or nor orange. So here you can take left, you denote the set of where U is the set of student and A denotes the set of, this is NA is given as 100, where A represents set of students taking apple juice, right? And number of element in B, that is 150 where B is the set of students taking orange juice. Right? These we have to make supposition. Number of students surveyed, that are 400. Out of 400, 100 are taking apple juice and 150 are taking orange juice. Also say 75 were listed as taking both apple and, so number of elements in both, that is intersection 75. Clear? Now question says you have to find neither apple juice nor orange. So how can we write in the language of the set? A complement means not apple. B complement means not orange. So neither means intersection. You have to find this. Number of element in A complement intersection B. The meaning of this means neither apple juice nor orange juice. ना तो ऑरेंज जूस लेते हैं और ना ही एप्पल जूस. That you have to find number of student. This is clear? Now by the De Morgan's law, we have also seen A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B. This is yesterday we see the formula De Morgan's law. A complement intersection B complement equal to A union B complement. Now as we know that complement universal set minus set. Again we are using formula A union B whole complement is equal to number of element in U minus number of element in A union B. Now we can use formula. Already this value is given 400 NU minus, now use the formula of A union B. That is number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. So simplify this. 400 minus NA minus NB plus NA intersection B. Now put the values, corresponding values you have to put. NA 100 minus NB 150 plus 75. So if you solve, this value will be 225. बेटा दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Write down. So there are 225 students who are taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. At last you write answer as 225 students were taking neither apple juice nor orange. पुनीत,
यस सर।
क्या दिख रहा है?
हम्म,
लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है क्या?
यस सर।
So write down. So now by the given condition, here we are total individual are given 200 and individual exposed to the chemical C1, that is 120, so Na equal to 120 and individual exposed to the chemical C2, second type, that is 50. So number of element in B is 50. And for both chemical it is given 30. Now exposed to chemical C1 and C2, that is given as 30. Now question says you have to find the number of individuals exposed to first part chemical C1 but not chemical C2. First part is chemical C1 but not chemical C2. So we have already seen this formula A difference B. Number of element in A but not in B. Right? तो इसका फॉर्मूला मैंने पहले दिया था, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए माइनस कॉमन टू बोथ एन ए डिफरेंस बी इक्वल टू एन ए माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू. ये फॉर्मूला बेटा याद कर लेना. Only A. So Na is given as 120 minus 30, that is 90. So these are the individuals which are exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2. And second converse of this, let's say chemical C2 but not chemical C1. So here we have to find number of element in B difference A. So that is equal to number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. Again this is a formula. So you write number of element in B is 50 minus 30, that is 20. So this is individual for second case. Now third part what says chemical C1 or chemical C2, or with union you have to find. Chemical C1 or chemical C2. It means you have to find number of element in A union B. So that is formula is given. So formula is Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. So number of element in A 120, B 50 minus 30. So that is 140. X and Y are two sets such that number of elements in X equal to 17, number of elements in Y equal to 23, and number of elements in X union Y equal to 38. There's a find number of elements in X intersection Y. So you know using direct formula here, number of elements in X union Y equal to number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Now put the given values 38, 20, this is 17 plus 23 minus
38,
X intersection Y.
2 hours. 2 hours, sir.
So this is 38, this is 40. So number of elements in X intersection Y equal to 40 minus 30. That is
33.
2, right?
Yes, sir.
बेटा लिख लिया? Similarly, second question says, if X and Y are two sets such that number of elements in X union Y is 18. X has 8 elements. Number of elements in X equal to 8. And Y has 15 elements. So number of elements in Y 15. How many elements does X intersection Y? So this is also similar to first one. ये पहले की तरह ये बेटा. So number of elements in X union Y equal to number of elements in X, number of elements in Y.
Y
5 आएगा.
minus number of elements in X.
Are you writing or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. So X union Y 18, NX 8, NY 15.
X plus 15 minus
Minus number of elements X
number of
intersection Y.
elements X.
And X intersection Y. So number of
Five.
elements in X intersection Y 5.
5, sir.
Good. कौन बोल रहा है?
5.
Question number third say in a group of 400 students, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. So you can write here let A be the set of people who speak Hindi and B be the set of people who speaks English, right? And total people are given as and you be the total number of people. That is number of U equal to 400, number of A that is speaking Hindi 200 and number of people who speak English. Now say, how many people can speak both Hindi and English? So number of element in A, intersection B you have to find. So here total number of students, sorry, people are given 400. So that we have considered as a union or universal set also. Because each can be speak either Hindi or English. Third language नहीं दे रखा है. That's why we can tell here number of A union B equal to 400. So using formula A union B equal to NA plus NB minus
ये पक्का
A intersection B. Now put the values.
50 आंसर है सर.
तो 50 आएगा. So this is 400, 250, 200 minus NA intersection B. So 400, 450, A intersection B. So simplify